Okay, I've put this together and it is so amazing. The camera is a little further back than normal because wait till you see how big this is. I want you to see how big it is. And I am a sweaty mess because it is crazy hot here in Florida. But here's one of the things that I think is so amazing. Like for us in particular, Nikki's sensitive to the sun. Obviously Florida, lots of sun. So I have this and it cantilevers, moves around. So from here, I can cover an area of the pool, a big area. Wait till you see that. Let me just show you while I tell you. So I can cover a big area of the pool, or I could always just swing it around and cover the table behind you there. So watch this. Let's go like so. Open it up. I wonder if this is even still all in frame there, because this thing is absolutely massive. All right, so that thing's all in full frame. I'm telling you, there is a solid third of our giant pool, which is now covered by this. And so let me just demonstrate to you how you turn it. So it's super easy. You press on the pedal, twist it. Now the camera is in shade and our table. How cool is this? This is absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This thing is so cool. You can angle it depending upon what you want to do. Let me show you how you rotate it real quick. Rotate it, you simply pull this lever and then you can turn it like that, right? So you can rotate it like that. Super effective, super helpful. One thing you can't do is tilt it down that way or that way, right? The fact that you can rotate it side to side really covers most things. In any case, I'm just rambling on. This thing is awesome. I'm going to give it a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for a massive umbrella, this is the one to get. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.